Chamber Cup 32, presented by Dominion Risk Advisors, this Friday, August 12th, at the beautiful Roanoke Country Club, 10:30 a.m. shotgun start. We are looking forward to a fantastic day of golf and camaraderie and fun among Chamber members. And now it's time for your official weather report, thanks to our weather sponsor, BluSky Restoration Contractors. Now, your Chamber team has been dabbling in meteorology the last few weeks as we've been closely monitoring the weather in preparation for Chamber Cup 32. And I got to tell you, we have delivered on fantastic weather for the entire day, from shotgun start to our championship shootout in early afternoon. Sunny skies, high of 82, winds north-northwest at 5 to 10 miles an hour, that little breeze that can give you a little draw heading into the green, low humidity, perfect UV index. It is going to be beautiful. We are looking forward to it. We are grateful for great weather here in beautiful Virginia's Blue Ridge. That is your official weather report, thanks to our friend and weather sponsor, BluSky Restoration Contractors. We'll see you Friday for Chamber Cup 32 at Roanoke Country Club, thanks to Dominion Risk Advisors.